In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent paragraphs in Google Docs. If you want to make your document look cleaner, more organized, and easier to read, adjusting paragraph indentation is a simple but very useful formatting tool. Google Docs gives you a couple of easy ways to do it, and I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose the one that works best for you. To begin, click anywhere inside the paragraph you want to indent. You don't need to highlight the entire paragraph unless you want to apply the same formatting to multiple paragraphs at once. Just placing your cursor inside the paragraph is enough for Google Docs to know which text you want to format. One quick way to indent the paragraph is by using the ruler at the top of the page. If your ruler is visible, look for the left indent marker. Then drag that marker to the right. As you move it, the paragraph will shift inward from the left margin. This is a fast visual way to adjust indentation, especially if you want to see the spacing change immediately while you work. If you prefer a more precise method, you can also use the formatting menu. Click Format, then go to Align and Indent and choose Indentation Options. This opens a settings box where you can control exactly how the paragraph is indented. This method is especially helpful if you want consistent formatting throughout a document. Inside the indentation options, choose the type of indentation you want. Left indentation moves the entire paragraph in from the left margin. Right indentation moves the paragraph in from the right margin. First line indentation affects only the first line of the paragraph, which is commonly used in essays, reports, and other formal writing. Hanging indentation does the opposite. It keeps the first line in place and indents all the lines after it. This is often used for bibliographies, reference lists, and citation formatting. Once you've chosen the indentation style that fits your document, you can apply it and review how it looks on the page. If needed, you can always go back and adjust it until the spacing looks just right. A good tip is to stay consistent with your indentation style throughout the document so everything feels polished and professional. And that's all it takes to indent paragraphs in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.